FreeCAD 1.0 review for 2025. Is this finally the best free CAD solution or still not ready? So let's dive in and make sure to like and subscribe. FreeCAD 1.0 marks a major milestone for the open source CAD platform. After years in beta, the official release brings big improvements, especially in usability, stability, and new workbenches. So tested it out for several days, and here's what stood out. First, the UI has seen major upgrades. It's cleaner, more responsive, and less buggy than older versions. Navigating between workbenches like part design, sketcher, and assembly is now smoother. Second, the feature set is now robust. Parametric modeling, 2D drawing, constraint-based design, and mesh editing are all included. The assembly for Workbench is especially helpful for complex mechanical designs. And third, FreeCAD now supports better file compatibility, including STEP, IGES, STL, and DXF, making it easy to collaborate or transition from commercial CAD tools. That said, there's still a learning curve. The UI, while improved, is not as polished as Fusion 360 or SolidWorks, and some modules feel inconsistent unless you are familiar with CAD workflows. But for a free, open source tool with zero licensing costs, FreeCAD 1.0 is a strong contender, especially for hobbyists, students, and even pros who want control over their workflow. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.